Woodpecker's latest one-time tool, the Deluxe Trammel System, takes the basic trammel concept to a level never seen before. The system starts with 12, 24, and 36-inch beams that are laser engraved with both imperial and metric scales. 2 sliding clamps are attached with hairlines engraved dead center for precise placement on the scales. And the clamp bottoms have female threaded holes for connecting 5 different attachments. The pencil holders are used with the mechanical pencil and offset the clamp by exactly 1 inch or 2 centimeters. So now you are set to strike an arc or draw a circle with ease. The sharp scribe pins thread in for a traditional trammel point use. The edge gauge attachments have a machine flat section that reference stock edges when drawing or scribing. The cone-shaped hole locator attachments thread in for measuring the distance between hole centers. And lastly, the corner gauges enable you to check any parts for square. The Woodpeckers Deluxe Trammel System is 100% made in the USA, so get one for your shop today.